Still struggling to fit images perfectly into shapes in Figma? Let's fix that in seconds using Clipping Mask. Here I have a cat and a ball image. First, take a frame, then create a rectangle. Set its color to white and add some corner radius. Next, place a circle on top like this. Select both the rectangle and the circle, then go to Boolean operations and choose Subtract. Now copy the circle from the subtract shape and paste it outside. Then place the cat image behind the subtract shape. Duplicate the image and move the copied layer to the top, then hide it. Double-click on the circle, then unhide the cat image. Now adjust the circle shape around the cat like this. Select both the shape and the image, then right-click or use the top menu, and choose Use as Mask. Finally, select the subtract shape and edit its color, border, and effects as needed. And that's it. Your clipping mask is done.